Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in same page on ongoing civil justice. Sign off is all for Pope Francis, the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist created tax mandate, COVID-19, domestic violence type, hatred and types, and it is the deadliest crime ongoing civil closure sign of process is only for to provide the civil justice immediate without any delay. So, as of January 29th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID-19 arranged marriage is healthiest, there must never be any domestic violence type, hatred and types in United States of America and all nations worldwide. So, as of January 29th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID-19 forced arranged marriage is the healthiest, there must never be any domestic violence type, hatred and types in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 29th, 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID-19 child marriage is healthiest, there must never be domestic violence type, hatred and types in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 29th of 2021, when Pope Francis Antichrist created COVID-19 LGBTQ marriage is healthiest, there must never be any domestic violence type, hatred and types in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 29th of 2021, when Pope Francis Antichrist created COVID-19 domestic partners living together out of wedlock, getting pregnant out of wedlock marriage is healthiest, then there must never be any domestic violence type, hatred and types in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 29th of 2021, when Pope Francis Antichrist created COVID-19 polygamy marriage is healthiest, there must never be any domestic violence type, hatred and types in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 29th of 2021, when Pope Francis Antichrist created COVID-19 love marriage is the healthiest, then there must never be any domestic violence type, hatred and types in United States of America and all nations worldwide. So basic birthright level, self-esteem, all destroyed and stripped off from all civilians worldwide, one way or the other, in any variations of Vatican created code of abuse, tax mandate, the Holocaust or Nazism, satanic law is a harshest reality, and nobody left out in the Pope Francis mandated 666 mark of the beast candle. As I am going to get civil justice for total 7.9 plus billions of human population fallen in trap of Vatican scandal in 666 mark of the beast process model of code of abuse law, tax mandate law, and mandated and enforced to live with emotional torture forever, with emotional wastages, damages, and feelings, wastages, and damages. And because Pope Francis Satan is proved and Queen Elizabeth II is Satan is also proved, and faces of Pope Francis are Satan's is also proved, and all nations must should never have any criminal justice of any variations is also proved, and error of Department of Justice in all nations is also proved. So divorce process for any available Pope Francis created COVID-19 marriage types population should be annulled. Dissolution of invalid disqualified marriage for Satan Pope Francis only created all COVID-19 available marriage types. And out of total 7.9 plus billions of humans as of January 29th of 2021, total male population is innocent always forever. Total female population is double innocent always forever. And that is why in true Christianity alone, biological moms alone have highest impasse, means highest eligibility to have sole child custody according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law. And always forever, biological moms and or surrogate rental womb service providers worldwide only should get sole child custody in divorce process as in Holy Bible guidelines of civil law. And President Joe Biden must resign immediate for fatal negligence, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Civil Vatican Leader now, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now, and I, Vedapriya, display $1 trillion errors of wrongful hell mandate Pope Francis created 666 mark of the beast divorce process model, and I can bail out Department of at fault found guilty accountability in all crimes of Pope Francis the Satan, organized a satanic organization, Department of Children and Families, later when I become the medical director for all nations. So prosecution, crucifixion enforced to humans in different versions. Can you all see how innocent civilians enforced to look at a fault mode when always innocent? And Pope Francis, who created all hell variations for fellow mankind, always made to look godly, holy, holy highness, holy perfect republica, God of USA, like that. And why nation's population without any awareness only worshipping deadliest antichrist as God, and that alone is a standalone $1 trillion of scandal and a crime. Yes, I am the mouthpiece for entire 7.9 plus billions of humans population who cannot talk, because the entire human population is aware as of today that their entire total population is slaughtered and butchered by Antichrist Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, and I sure will get civil justice count by count to all 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide. Either Pope Francis should say Pope Francis knows what is 7 billions of humans population, or Pope Francis should say Pope Francis don't know who are 7.9 plus billions of human population in the United Kingdom, in the human kingdom in earth. Okay. And either ways, we won the case of ongoing civil justice for 500,000 trillion finance compensation to be paid to each civilian times total population. So can you all understand how emotional level has been wasted and destroyed, and the feelings level has been wasted and destroyed, and damages are severe because it is done only to the human brain nerve cells, and which impacts the art and which creates lot of stress, and that creates lot of health issues for fellow mankind, and it is all without any awareness, meaning the total population were not getting it, why they were all getting sick, right? And now good news is we all know the root cause. So Pope Francis is the one who is creating all type of you name any disease, it is he who is creating all the disease. Right, so that is why Pope Francis and the absolute monarchs, we should be gone in ashes. Then there is a fix. I only can fix, even that also I only can fix, because I only know where to go and how to guide each and every single government operations and to fix it. Okay, it is all a process. Just one day, just like that, we cannot fix things. But I can provide the highest level of fix, means immediate help can be provided to the population in less than, I said what? 1 minute, that is 60 seconds, civil justice can be signed off. And I can provide that help. Okay, that is what I'm working on, and we are all in the same page on that, right? So, absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to enforce COVID-19 tax mandate, code of abuse, hell, Holocaust, Nazism mandate law to innocent 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide, to destroy brain nerves and enforce human brain damages worldwide. At least the absolute monarch should have provided the cleanest environment for the population to live happily ever after. And then if the population were not able to live in a healthy way, then only, even then also, the governments have only birthright to discipline in a very healthiest way. So everything went wrong. So nobody knows what went wrong. And at least good news is we all figured out the root cause of what went wrong. And that is the healthiest process. And that is what I'm providing. Okay, so please be patient, my fellow mankind. Yes, there is no other crime that is deadliest category than to enforce tax mandate, COVID, hell, Holocaust, Nazism, code of abuse mandate law to fellow mankind, and stripping of birthrights and self-esteem of civilians by enforcement, and to enforce and mandate male human operating system and female human operating system to be enforced to be malfunctioned, right, without any awareness of the fellow mankind by Vatican code of abuse law, scandal, tax mandate, and pain inflicted on innocent human brain nerves worldwide is enforced with exponentially increased pain on innocent population of human worldwide, and that is also by enforcement, right, and that is absolutely wrong. So, how precious lives of civilians destroyed without awareness. In disease life cycle, always disease creators is at fault and never innocent. So for destroyed holy marriage law and destroyed human lives by destroying human brain nerve cells damages worldwide, and to destroy the national operations, government agencies operations, it is absolute monarchs. Satans must pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans. So I weigh the pre-approved Vatican Jesuits leader, Pope Francis is Satan, Antichrist creator, mandated all COVID-19 available marriage types, right? And then COVID-19 domestic violence types. So these are all the tax mandate process, and they do not, Pope Francis do not have any birthright to create that kind of a hell for fellow mankind. And it is all coming under the umbrella of COVID-19 666 mark of the beast process model. So Pope Francis must resign now, and I become Vatican leader now is civil justice served. I should only lead enterprises software design architect solutions for entire software world. So you all got correct education. How President Joe Biden will resign in next 1 second is because Queen Elizabeth II is Antichrist is proved. Pope Francis' Antichrist is proved, and entire Democrat government will just faint and pass out just by being aware of why USA is at fault and found guilty in all crimes of Vatican and is in the handcuffed mode. I want to convey I weigh the eradicated COVID-19 plague as of January 25th of 2021, and it can help me when USA government pays me tax-free salary of $1 billion using direct deposit. Can help me to take care of my basic essentials. Pope Francis is Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, created tax mandate, COVID-19 type, all the COVID-19 marriage types, COVID-19 domestic violence types, and Pope Francis must get out of earth now, only in volcano in Hawaii. And it is according to the excellent civil law guidelines as in Holy Bible. So civil justice as of today is, according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law, Pope Francis should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. And Pope Francis must resign now, and President Joe Biden must resign now. And I weigh the prayer to become Vatican leader now with salary of tax-free $250,000 per annum with benefits, and I weigh the prayer to become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations to lead the justice services across the nations, across the continents, and I weigh the prayer to become Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge across the globe for all nations now, and I weigh the prayer to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Chief Director for all nations to lead Medical Services Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization. Then I weigh the prayer Native Indian tribe, true Israelite Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of USA, must should become interim leader of USA. And the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name. And USA government must should pay tax-free $1 billion as a salary for I eradicated COVID-19 plague fastest than any robo, and saved entire human kingdom, and as a soldier of God. And I weigh the prayer proved absolute monarchs destroyed national operations and destroyed the holy marriage law covenant. And I weigh the prayer also proved Pope Francis is Antichrist, the hell creator, must never live in earth. So whatever forefathers predicted in the Holy Bible is happening now. So civil justice always wins is the wisdom. I am that I am born to save the world. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.